So welcome to our campsite. We took a little trip up to the mountains. We're doing a overnighter. Brought the van and the small camping trailer. The trailer's been working out real nice. I haven't had to do anything. We just plug the fridge in 30 minutes. It's cooled down, throw our food in it and hitch it up and we're out of here. We just keep our totes full of all of our camping gear and just leave it in the trailer all the time. It's pretty nice. We forgot our bug screen tent, which is a bummer because the bugs are pretty bad. We knew that they would be, but I took it out of the van because I was doing some work in there and cleaning some stuff out and forgot to put it back in. So we've had it over a year now and we still haven't used it. It's brand new. Sitting at home on the shelf, brand new. So far the weather's good. It's about 98 degrees in town. Takes us about an hour and a half probably to get to where we're at right now in the National Forest. And I'm guessing it's probably 70 or 75. Something like that. It's comfortable. Shorts. I'll give you a tour around the camp here in a minute. And we're going to have a campfire tonight and cook some tacos. Tacos in the forest. Should be nice. Looking forward to it. On that other tree line over there is where the main road is. And we came up this little road here. They left us all this wood, so I hope the wood burns good. It seems like it's dry enough. And then we got a pretty thick forest right here next to us. And there is nobody around us. Every now and then a car goes up and down that road beside us on the other side of that patch of trees right there. And then here's where we're parked. Pretty level. It's nice and grassy. No mud. Not at the moment. So you can't beat that. We're just leaving the trailer connected and just backed right on in. So we can pop out the fridge and pop out the door on the back there. We store all 4 of those totes and those 2 big chairs that, like what Selena's sitting in there. We store all that in the back of the trailer here. We have some pre-made taco meat that we had the other night for dinner and brought that along, and we're going to fry up some corn tortilla shells.
Okay.
Come on, back off. You had your dinner, bud. He wants part of mine. I don't blame him. He'll get a bite. Good. Good tacos. Mm. I know you guys didn't see me put any salsa on my tacos. I didn't forget. I don't care for salsa. I'm a Tabasco kind of guy. Salsa just ruin it. And so would tomatoes. I'll let Selena have all those. Mm. Mosquitoes are getting pretty bad, so I'm gonna have to put on some pants, finish up this dinner and get things cleaned up, and we'll get a fire going. Hopefully that'll help a little bit. What would camping be without mosquitoes? Awesome. All right, last bite goes to Rugadoo. All gone. As soon as the food's gone, he walks away. He doesn't love me for me, he loves me for the food. I don't blame him. All right, let's get a fire going. Boy, that fire needs some help. We're not going to show that on video. All right, let's show them how. Let's show them how good go ahead, blow on it. See what I got to put up with constantly.
See what he gets to put up with?
Yeah. Just put a new piece of wood on there, and looks like it's finally starting to catch.